What are the symptoms of neuropathy? Greetings once again, and welcome back to our Neuropathy Relief Program video series. I'm Dr. Jason Tripp, the creator of the Nerve Restoration Neuropathy Program. And today, we're delving into diverse symptoms associated with neuropathy. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for early recognition and effective management. Neuropathy can manifest in a variety of ways, and being attuned to the symptoms can make a significant difference in seeking timely intervention. Let's explore some of the common signs that may indicate neuropathy. One of the early indicators is tingling or that pins and needles sensation. This sensation often starts in the extremities, meaning in your fingers or in your toes. It's essential not to dismiss these sensations, as they can be a signal that nerves are undergoing distress. Something's wrong. Burning pain is another prevalent symptom. Individuals with neuropathy often describe feeling persistent, sometimes intense burning pain, particularly in those affected areas like the fingers or the toes. The pain can significantly impact daily life and even quality of sleep. Numbness is a hallmark symptom of neuropathy. As the condition progresses, individuals may experience loss of sensation, making it challenging to detect temperature changes or pressure. This numbness can contribute to injuries or wounds going unnoticed, leading to further complications or even amputations. Muscle weakness is another potential consequence of neuropathy. The nerves that control muscle movement may be affected, resulting in weakness or difficulty performing everyday tasks. This can impact our mobility and our overall physical function. Balance and coordination challenges are common, especially in advanced stages of neuropathy. Individuals may find it difficult to maintain balance and coordination, which increases the risk of falling. As neuropathy advances, some may experience sharp shooting pains or cramping, adding another layer of discomfort. These pains can be intermittent or chronic, varying on intensity on how bad they are. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for seeking professional guidance and initiating targeted treatment plans. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms like these, it's essential not to delay seeking medical advice from somebody who knows what to do. I'm glad you could be here so we could shed light on the broader consequences that go beyond even physical symptoms. So thank you for joining us as we uncover various symptoms associated with neuropathy. If you have questions or concerns about your neuropathy symptoms, seeking professional advice is key to effective management. You can check out our website at www.drjasontripp.com or call the office at 724-342-BACK. That's 724-342-2225. Stay tuned for our next video where we're going to discuss how to effectively deal with these neuropathy symptoms. These strategies are from a holistic approach. I'll talk to you soon.